Good morning vlog. So today we're going to be getting Gideon's newborn pictures taken. We had these scheduled a couple weeks ago, but when we scheduled them, a snowstorm came in and we were not able to travel because the roads were really bad. So our photographer is coming to us. We're going to get him done today. He is a little over a month old, so I want to get on them, getting them done super quickly. My eyes crossing so bad. I'm so tired. I did not sleep very well last night, and little Gideon did not let me sleep in this morning. So I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna get some cleaning done. I have to wash some of his clothes. We didn't get any clothes for this newborn thing. I got one onesie and I think it's not gonna fit him. So I'm gonna wash that real quick so that he can have it for today. And I'm gonna pick up the house because our photographer's coming here and our house is a wreck. So I'm gonna get that stuff done and bring you guys along, of course. So I got the dishes done real quick, cleaned out the sink, and now I have to go pump because I'm leaking on everything and that's disgusting. So I'm gonna go pump real quick and then I need to get food and take a medicine because I have not done that yet today. So that's next on the to-do list. Okay, please ignore my hair right now. The frizzies are awful. But I got a package in the mail and I'm really excited. I knew this was coming because I've been talking to these people in the DMs, if you will. They emailed me and told me that they thought that this would be a good product for me. I posted on Instagram and I've talked about it here. I've been having a lot of back pain. I had back pain before pregnancy because I broke my back. But I think the epidural, I think I'm having pain from the epidural and it makes it really hard for me to like do anything sometimes. So this company reached out to me and asked me to, if I wanted them to send me some stuff. And I said, heck yeah. So, oh, that was aggressive. Okay. So the first thing we got here are these postpartum pads. I have a lot of pads I haven't used, but if I don't get around to using these, my sister has a blessings box at her salon, and so I will give those to her to put in that blessing box or pass them along to another mother who may need them. And then this, oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Oh, those are extender bands. Okay, so this is what I knew it was. This is the Mama Strut postpartum support band, and you put this around like your stomach to help support your back and your tummy and all that good stuff. It's supposed to help with pelvic floor stuff too, abdominal pain, and it looks like it has ice and heat packs. What the heck? Oh, I'm excited about these. That will be super awesome to put in my lower back. Heck yeah. And then it does come with an extender in case you're a chunky woman like me and you need the extender. I think I got this in 2X, but I wasn't sure if it was going to fit me or not because you want it to fit a little like tight to make sure that it's going to help support you. Oh, and then here's more of these little hot packs. Heck yeah, I'm excited. So I'm going to leave the information for the company down below. I'm also going to be doing a review on my Instagram. I apologize, my cat. This is just how it is now. It's very stressful trying to film because there's always a million things going on at once. But I will leave their information linked in the description box below. And I guess that I'll be doing a full review on my Instagram and my other social medias to see what I think about it. So thank you so much, Mama Strut. I'm really excited to try this out. I wish the shirt would stay like this if I move my arms at all. She's not staying. But we're gonna, but we're gonna try to do a black for our photos. Oh, this shirt just doesn't fit me well, I don't think. I think I'm gonna have to change. I ended up switching to a shirt that has words on it, but it's gonna have to do because that other shirt was just not working for me. I didn't like it. And I'm wearing a darker lipstick than what I planned for. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie in Scandalous. So we ended up doing his pictures. They were great. He cried for a majority of the time, but Erica's super awesome. She actually filmed some video clips during it, so I'm going to get those, and that's when I post this vlog. I'll put them in here so you guys can see. She's wonderful. I love her very much. So we did that, and now I've been wanting to go out and shop and spend money. I can't stop spending money. I don't know what the deal is, but we tried going to Ross yesterday and we didn't have time, so we're gonna go today. We're gonna go get Jacob some stuff from Play It Again Sports, and then we're gonna go out to eat because I really want steak. So that's what we're gonna do, and right now we're just getting gas and getting a snack because neither of us have ate all day. It's like 5 in the afternoon, so we're gonna get some snacks from the gas station and then we'll be on our way. Jacob wanted to play again by himself and got this cool little disc. I don't know anything about disc golf, but
hopefully be a new workhorse driver.
I don't think anyone's gonna know what that means.
I do, and that's what's important.
I guess so. So we ended up not going to Marshall's. We just went to Play It Again Sports because I was tired, and by the time we were gonna go to like the store that I wanted to go to, we didn't have a lot of time before, like because we had to make reservations for Texas Roadhouse, so we didn't end up doing that. We went and ate, and I had my first experience breastfeeding in public, which I always thought that I was going to be like, I don't care if people think I'm feeding my child, but when it actually came down to it, I was really, really embarrassed. Not embarrassed, but I was really shy. Like, there was like a family right next to me, and the mom kept looking at me, and I'm also not wearing like the appropriate clothing. I'm not wearing a nursing bra, so it was really hard. And at first I was trying to cover up Gideon with like a cover, and he was not having that. So then I just was like, forget, I'm just gonna let it out. And I let it out, and he ate fine, and nobody said anything, but the mom was staring at me, and like a group of like kind of youngerish girls came in, and they were staring at me, so I felt kind of uncomfortable. But I'm gonna have to start learning how to do that because it's totally normal. We just got home though. I fell asleep on the drive home. Jacob was obviously driving, not me. And now I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign the vlog off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.